students, how are you all? So let's start today our science subject. So see on page number 38, lesson number 6, our body. So in this chapter we are going to learn name of our body parts and use of each body parts. Okay, so we start our lesson. HUMAN, human. BODY, body. Human body is made up of many PARTS, parts. Means our human body is made up of many parts. Each part of our body has a DIFFERENT, different name and function. FUNCTION, function. Each part of our body has different name and different function, means use. Now we are going to do one exercise given in textbook. Body part name you are going to write and you are going to see correct answer from this box, and your picture of one body is given. Okay, so arrow is also given, so it will be easy for you to write name of that body part. So this part, okay, I am not saying blackish, but this part is known as head, 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 and blackish part, this one is hair. Arrow is given. HAIR, hair. You smell with an OSE, nose. This one LIP, lip. And you move your head, this part NECK, neck. And here two eyes. Here arrow is given on one eye, so you are going to write EYE, eye. Two ears. Okay, arrow on one ear, EAR, ear. Two cheeks, arrow on one cheek, so you are going to write CHEEK, chick. CHEST, chest. Your hand middle part joint is given, and you fold your, or you can bend your hand. Okay, so back side pointed part. Elbow, ELBOW, elbow. And from ear to ear part is known as LEG, leg. And this part is known as, you fold your leg, that is KNEE, knee. K is silent letter. And where you wear your shoes, known as FOOT, foot. And pointed part, that is last one, here it is given arrow. Okay, so that is known as HEEL, heel. Okay, and here this part of your body is known as arm, ARM, arm. And forefinger and one thumb, hand, HAND, hand. Okay, so these are the name of the body parts you are going to write only in your textbook. Okay, boxes here, spelling are also clear. Just select the correct part of the body and write the correct answer. Given arrow, you are going to write their name of the body part. How that body part help us? Our body parts help us. First one, we use our hands to eat, WRITE, write, and HOLD, hold things. So we use our hand to eat food, to write, to hold things. Okay. Now we see use of neck. Our neck helps the head to move. See, you are seeing any side, for example left side or a right side. Okay, so your head moves with the support of this neck. Okay, so both the direction of the picture you can see how different they are. Okay, so left side, right side, you want to see your head moves with the help of neck. So neck help to you to move your head. Now we use our legs to WALK, walk, RU and run, SKIP skip, and KICK kick. So your picture is given. You use your legs to walk, to run, and here in both hands corner of a skipping is known as to skip. Okay, and to kick ball you use your leg. So while skipping you use your leg. Okay, so it goes up and down. So with help of that you can do skipping. So to use leg, it is helpful to skip also. So today we are going to learn only this much: name of the body part and use of hand, leg and neck, and remaining part we will do in the next class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.